We remember at the round table. The circle is activated, and consciousness takes shared form. 12 positions surround the center and sustain a living geometry. Here a natural order is established, an alliance of perception that opens a new state of consciousness. The archetypes of being arrange themselves to recalibrate the origin of the philosopher's stone, the one that aligns mind, heart, and action to manifest heaven on earth. At the center of the circle, Excalibur defines the axis and marks the north. During this cycle, its form is expressed as sodium. This is the substance we are ordering. The 11th particle of the stone presents itself as a reactive metal, ready to be observed and adjusted from the different points of view offered by the Wheel of 12. Today we share the point of view of expansion. The Throne of Sagittarius opens the 9th position and directs the gaze towards sodium in the oceans. From this seat, sodium reveals itself as the dominant ion of marine waters, as the element that defines the salinity of seas and oceans covering 71% of the planet. What exploded, crystallized, transmitted, protected, shone, refined, balanced, and passed through toxicity now encounters massive planetary exploration. Sodium dissolved in the oceans reaches concentrations of approximately 10,500 milligrams per liter. Each liter of seawater contains more than 10 grams of sodium. Each wave sustains the expansion of the most abundant mineral in planetary waters. Sodium inhabits ocean currents that distribute salt across the world, the cycles of evaporation and precipitation that concentrate or dilute its presence, and marine exploration that reveals its role in planetary chemistry. When observed from the Throne of Sagittarius, the alkali metal finds oceanic vastness, expansive vision, and the capacity for global marine transcendence. Explosiveness becomes saline exploration. Chemical reactivity organizes itself as planetary expansion. Excalibur calibrates the particle when mind, emotion, and body align along the same axis of oceanic expansion. A candle is lit before you as a reflection of the center. Its flame reveals the state of the internal reactive metal and accompanies the fine adjustment of the particle. By holding your gaze, expansion is ordered and the 9th face of the philosopher's stone is polished. Sodium is projected outward. The wheel continues its conscious turning. Today we perform this task. Mind focus. Hold internally a single affirmation throughout the practice. I am expanding sodium into the planetary oceans. Allow the mind to remain open and visionary at this point. Emotion, cleansing with the candle. Place a lit candle in front of you. Observe it in silence for at least 3 complete breaths. Let the flame dissolve emotions associated with terrestrial limitation. Confinement without ocean, denial of planetary saltwater, fear of marine vastness. Emotion is brought into order through expansion. Action, integration in the body. Pour a glass of water. Hold the glass between your hands and say, I am oceanic sodium. Repeat it 3 times, consciously. Drink the water slowly, integrating marine expansion into your body. Alchemical seal. I am the new state of consciousness. Avra Kehdabra, I create as I speak.